LakelandCarKeys.com. I'm currently sitting in I believe this is a 2014 Ford Focus. It has the European style remote head key with the high security blade. I already went ahead and decoded that blade in my machine. We have a new key in there, and we're going through the programming process. So it told me it was going to take 3 to 10 minutes to access the security system. Literally, it was about 2 minutes. So currently right now, there's 2 learned keys in the vehicle. And when I hit OK, it should program this new key, and there should be 3 keys to the vehicle. I'll go ahead and hit OK. All right, it's learning the key. And all right, the number of keys are now 3. All right, so I should be able to go ahead and shut this off. Put the key back in. Start the vehicle up. As always, let it run for about 10 seconds. Make sure it stays running, and we're done. So these, just like the older Fords, is an onboard programming procedure. It's a little bit different than the other Fords, whereas I'm going to close the door on this one. I'm going to put the key in. So I did 8 times. I'm not sure if I missed it that last 8th time, but 1 and off 8 times, remove the key, and you press the button. Press the button on your next one, and then you're done. So I'll just go back, verify that both keys start the vehicle. And both remotes work. So some of these with this European style key, the remote is really the same. I can use a remote from, one that has the US style head with the high security blade. They're usually interchangeable. But yeah, so this one, like I said, this one programmed fine. I just lost what I was about to tell you about this style key. But yeah, it's done. It's it's the same procedure. Had I not been able to program this because they had an original key, I could have cloned the chip from this one and put it inside. So these chips are a 2-part process. As you see, I did the chip programming, and then I did the remote programming separately. Because the chip is not integrated onto the remote board, I can essentially change the chip, put a clonable chip in there, clone it, and the car will think both keys are the same, and the remote is an onboard programming procedure, which you see we just did. I can add a separate remote to this without a key, just using that same procedure. On keys that it has the chip integrated onto the remote, when you stick it in there, you do the programming, it does the chip and the remote programming all in one. So those are integrated. These ones here are non-integrated. This was a pretty simple, easy in and out process. And I'll try to get some more content for you guys. All right, LakelandCarKeys.com.